Hi, welcome to Giulio's Bar. Today we're gonna mix the ugliest daiquiri you've ever seen. So, why should I ever propose you something that's really ugly? First, because I don't really care about looks that much, I care more about taste. Second, because a few months ago, a viewer pointed me out to this Jannamico Punch. Punch Jannamico comes from Abruzzo, which is on the east coast of Italy. Think Rome and think on the other side of the peninsula. This specific Punch Jannamico is something amazing, unbelievable, and insane. It's 45% ABV and it tastes like tutti frutti. I don't know if you ever taste this flavor that's basically like you took all the fruits of the world and smashed them into one. And it's really not like an Amaro. It's like probably like thought to be drank hot or cold, like a punch. But anyway, I found this to be extremely unique and interesting. So I thought, let's make a daiquiri with it. And now I'm gonna show it to you. And let's start from a simple syrup. I have here this 2-to-1 simple syrup, 2 parts sugar, 1 part water. It's really dark, but it's actually not very strong. It's sugar cane. I think it was described as panela granulada on the package. It tastes kind of a light version of the cocktail I use in Japan. But it's a nice licorice caramelly flavor. Then we go with lime juice, 30 milliliters. Ooh, and I'm pouring it all over the table. Sorry about that. Then we go with falernum. And I have this 9 falernum. It's an Italian product and yeah, it's produced following the falernum number 9 recipe you find online, I think. And 15 milliliters. And then we arrive at the Punch Jannamico. The insanity in a bottle, and we're gonna use 15 milliliters of this. I actually think it's probably exported because the user that wrote me the comment, maybe it was from US, I think. And then we finish with rum, and I'm gonna use this Sherry Finish Emperor. It's Mauritian rum. Yes, an almost agricole feeling. I love this. I used it last summer too. And I always get this in Italy because it's reasonably priced. Definitely cheaper than some of the alternative. By the way, it was 45 milliliters of this rum. Let me go and get some ice. Even today it's just insanely hot. And let's give this bad boy a shake. Gonna get a chilled cup. And let's double strain our cocktail. And there you go, a fugly daiquiri. Cheers. The Jannamico Tutti Frutti smell jumps at you right out of the glass. You have to like this. It's actually quite nice. It's an extremely fruity, punchy daiquiri. Nice, it's nice. It's nice and unexpected. It looks terrible, but I thought instead of fixing the looks of this cocktail, which probably are unfixable, I could have butter washed it or do something else, but I don't think the blackness of the Jannamico could be washed away while retaining its insane flavor. So instead I leaned into the weirdness of this cocktail, and so you have a ugly daiquiri. It looks not good at all. It looks like charcoal or mud. It's good. Good is good. And you know, like with my aperitivo marrone, people are like, well, it's marrone. And when everybody tastes it and they love it, maybe some people will taste this and love it too, after getting over the ugly presentation. So if you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, comment down below, share with anybody you like and don't like. Shake yourself a daiquiri, normal or insane like this one, and hopefully I will see you next time. Cheers. Truck backing up, truck backing up, truck backing up.
Truck backing up! Truck backing up! Truck backing up!